Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to make an easy and quick Christmas ornament. This is a week 10 of my Christmas DIY ornament series. Okay guys, for this project we'll be using a burlap fabric. Everything that I'll be using was given to me as a present from BurlapFabric. I'm really grateful. And all the items that I'm using today will be linked in the description below if you would like to go check them out. So we'll be using just a plain material. And then I have this lace ribbon. So I will be making two ornaments. One I cut out a regular printer stencils. So I'm gonna outline the heart on one and a star on another one. So then I will stitch them around after I glue them with the regular, I got some strings from one of my, another burlap, and it's fabric, and it is like a white beige color. So it's one of those, like you pull it out of there and you'll have yourself a piece of thread. So I'll use it on both, and to decorate I might use these bells from the Dollar Tree, but we'll see how it'll look. So, and to stuff my ornaments, this is a regular pillow stuffers. I'm buying the pillows from Walmart. I'm opening them, the cheapest one, and I use this for all kinds of craft that I have, and it's amazing. Anyway, that is all what you need. So let's get working on our ornaments. Okay, so two pieces are ready. As you could see, when I cut the ribbon, I wanted this inside a little smaller, so I trim it on the sides. And now I'm gonna glue them together, just like that, on half of the side. Then I put a little bit of the stuffing in it, and then I'll glue it back, and we'll outline with the stitch. Okay, now the same way we're gonna do the star. I'm gonna outline, then cut it, and then use the little string to sew it around and stuff it with this little pillow stuffing, and we'll put the little bell and a little bow on it too. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it turned out pretty cute and easy. Again, thank you so much, BurlapFabric, for an amazing material. I love working with it, and I'm really grateful. So, don't forget, guys, if you want to see more Christmas ornament, there is a prior videos, and it's all linked in the description below. But this is all for today. Bye for now.